ज्ञानमयी ज्योतिर्मयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी मरियम तू दयामयी.
Hi, I am Mrs. Nisha Zaveri. Hello students, good morning. So, all are now taking care of the body, eating healthy food and bathing properly daily. Very good. Brushing teeth twice. Very good. And trimming their nails once in a week. Very good. And nobody is eating the fruits and vegetables raw without washing it. Very good. Wash it and then only eat it. Okay. So now we will continue our next thing, the correct posture. Now we should have some posture. What is posture? Varun will explain that what do you mean by posture. The way we hold our body when we sit, when we stand, when we walk, when we sleep is called posture. The way we hold our body when we sit, stand, sleep or walk is called posture. Children, do you understand? The way, how we stand. If we stand in this way, is it correct? No. We have to have a straight posture. Then only our backbone will be straight. Otherwise it will bend and we will have pain. Sitting posture. See children, this girl, this is not the correct posture and this is also not the correct posture. Don't sit too straight or don't bend and sit. The sitting posture should be straight. Here also see how the boy is, it should be straight. Whenever you are reading, you should keep your book also in this way, in front and read, not bend down and read in this way. The posture should be straight. Then standing posture. Don't stand in this way, stand straight. Whenever you are standing, the back should be straight and you have to follow this straight posture only. Then when you are walking also, walk in a straight posture only. Don't bend and walk. Okay. And sleeping posture also, you have to sleep straight. You have to keep your backbone straight. So you have to maintain this posture. You will have a fit body. Now daily habits. We also have to follow some daily habits. What do you mean by daily habits? The habits which we follow every day in our life, which we should follow. That is called daily habits. Now Varun will explain some habits which he used to follow to become strong and healthy and clean child. To sleep on time. Children, you should always sleep on time. You should sleep before 10, sleep early and wake up also early. Many children know they go on watching television late night. They also wake up late in the morning, then they hurry to school and they are late. Full day goes wrong. They are sleepy full day, no energetic because they don't have proper rest. So our body need proper rest. So we have to sleep on time. 10 o'clock at night and wake up at 6 o'clock. Exercise daily. You have to exercise daily to keep your bones and muscles fit, flexible. You have to exercise at least 10 to 15 minutes in a day. Everybody, either in the morning or in the evening, but you have to exercise daily, 10 to 15 minutes. If we follow all the steps, then you will be healthy. If we are healthy, we are happy. Healthy children are always happy and healthy family is always happy family. So children, follow all these steps in your life every day and you will be healthy child and you will be happy child. Okay? All wants to be happy, no? Very good. So if you want to be happy, you have to follow all these healthy tips which Varun has explained us. All will follow, no? In the next class, I will ask you whether you are following or not. And all have to answer me. All will answer no? Yes. Thank you.